And so we are in Kanyakumari atop a boat, and we are glad to show you one of the greatest monuments of India called as Vivekananda Mandapam. There you see, that is the mandapam on a rock that is supposed to be on the southern tip of the Indian nation. This is a mandapam of extreme value because it actually portrays the unity of India, and it is a mandapam where Swami Vivekananda earlier had come over, did his tapas meditation, and he envisioned a larger India, and this is where the Prime Minister is also expected to conduct his meditation. That is why security has been beefed up. Let's just go inside and see what is the significance of this mandapam and how the Prime Minister and all the security measures have been taken for him to conduct his meditation over here. And so accordingly, we have reached the southern tip of India. We are standing on the top of a rock where on the background you could see Van Pugarkonda Vallavan holding 1,330 couplets of Tirukural, and on the other side you have this magnificent temple that is being built because this is of a significance here. It is believed that Kanyakumari, the goddess, stood here in standing on 1 feet as a tapas 1 foot, and that particular footprint is over there. And the most important significance of this rock is where a world-renowned memorial has been constructed for Swami Vivekananda, that you see on that side. And the important aspect here is that this is where it's being said that Swami Vivekananda attained the vision for a larger India, a unified larger India, and that's why this memorial is of utmost significance. And if we were going to take you over there, you could see it's a massively built monument in 1970, and it was actually inaugurated by then President V.V. Giri. And this is where the Prime Minister has also decided to go ahead and conduct his meditation. This place for years and years has been a very important place where people from across the world have come over have conducted meditations. Many have also had visions as about the future, a good world, how it should occur, and that's the reason the Prime Minister has decided chosen this particular place. On one side we have Vallavan, on other side we have Kanyakumari, and on the back we have the memorial where PM Modi will conduct his meditation. Here behind us you can see all the security measures that are being tightened up at this spot. Those are the speedboats, water scooters of the Marine Police who have started doing their patrol at this area. And behind us you could see the policemen, the number of policemen has also been increased over here. Dog squads and all other important measures have also taken. These are it looks like it will continue over here, and the number of tourists that are being brought to this spot also is being slowly reduced. We've been told that by around 4 p.m. SPG will reach the spot, and until the Prime Minister is going to be here, this area will be completely cordoned. And of this, half the location, in this area, it has been scheduled that the Sabha Mandapam, that is the top end of Vivekananda Mandapam, is one place where the Prime Minister will conduct Hafiz Dhyana, and the next one at the Dhyana Mandapam. So all security personnel have already reached the spot, and more are coming over here to make this place secure for the Prime Minister to conduct his meditation. Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.